Evaluating companies to invest can be challenging for most of us. This specific field of investing requires a lot of knowledge and experience. But as a young investors, these are tips that can help you in vetting up the companies to invest upon. Also, stay tuned till the end of this video to get 2 YouTube recommendations that could help you a lot in knowing about how you can evaluate and analyze companies to invest upon. Starting with the most usual one, research the company's financial. Company's financial can provide you a wealth of information about the company's financial health. It can include their revenues, earnings, debts, cash flow, and many more. This requires to review companies' financial statements such as balance sheet, cash flow statements, and many more to learn about the company's financial health and to predict the future performance of the company that you are going to invest upon. Moving on to the next one, which says analyze the company's industry. In this drastic time, it is very necessary to understand the company's industry and how it overall fits into the market. You need to seek out for the various factors such as market trends, customer preference shifts, emerging technologies, and many more factors that can impact your company's financial growth over a period of time. Also, before investing in any company, evaluate their management team. We know that to be successful in this market, companies require a good management team, and it is very essential for us to keep the track record of the company's success and their management team. Now, to analyze all the above stated points, one needs to be well aware about the news. And for this, you have to follow industry publications, social media, local news channel to be updated about the changes that are going on in the market, about the new product launch, industry trends, and many more aspects that can affect your company's financial growth and your financial decision to invest upon the company or not. Lastly, but not the least, define your investment goals. Now, before investing in any company, you need to define your investment goals, your potential to bear the risk, and your time horizon. Now, this will help you to determine the companies that you are seeking for to invest upon and how much risk you can tolerate while investing. Now, to learn more about how to research companies in depth and how to be updated about the changes that are going on into the market, we would like to recommend you these 2 YouTube channels that can help you to get better understanding in companies evaluation and vetting process while investing. You can refer to the investor channel and the financial education over the YouTube to learn more about the investing. And also stay tuned to this series about the fundamental of investing to complete your financial goal in this year 2023. And do not forget to hit that follow button to stay updated with more personal finance advices from Penny Calling Penny.